In front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this plus at the bottom left corner and choose Files to select an audio one. To do that, hit audio at the top to find it, or find it in one of those apps, or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those sources. Then hold your file and tap on Select at the top right corner. If you want to add a video one, hit Gallery section here or over here. Look for your video and click on it to add it. If you can't find it here, select Folders, look for it in your Gallery section and click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!